everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we're looking at Cowrywise Secrets for long-term wealth building by exposing 10 of your secrets. The first one is to build around real life goals. Goals like home, retirement, children's education are real life goals, so you should build around them. Make a separate plan for each of them and invest regularly. The second secret is to diversify for Nigeria's reality. So mix safety, money market, income bonds, growth such as equity, and a small dollar slice to protect against naira weakness. I repeat, mix safety. What do I mean by that? Mix your money market, invest in bonds and equity, and also a small dollar slice to protect against naira weakness. 3. Start with a simple allocation. For example, 30% money market, 25% bonds, 30% equity, 10% dollar, and 5% cash. So adjust it to your risk and timeline. 4. Automate monthly investing. Set fixed monthly contributions. Add a 5 to 10% increase every quarter or when the income rises or increases. 5. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest the same amount each month into growth funds to smooth market ups and downs. 6. Set guide rails. Lock long-term plans. Only allow withdrawals at big milestones or through emergencies. 7. Rebalance yearly. If one asset grows too much, move some money back to target mix to control risk. 8. Protect purchasing power. Keep a slice in dollar-dominated funds to reduce the impact of naira depreciation over many years. 9. Raise contributions when you earn more. On promotion or side income, immediately bump your autosave by a set percentage. If you earn more on promotions or side income, immediately bump up your autosave by a set percentage. And lastly, review quarterly and stay the course. Check your progress, update timelines and notes, and stick to the plan through market volatility. Hope you found this video helpful.